Hello and welcome to Algebra 1 for zero period. We're going to get started on Tuesday. My name is Dr. David Gago. I'm in room 1306 and I look forward to seeing everybody to start this second semester to hopefully earn the credits we need. Just to give you an idea of what we're doing Algebra 1. I'm looking forward to this semester with all of you guys. For some of you guys are seniors, we have some juniors, we have some sophomores. Okay. The main purpose of what you guys are going to do with me is to earn the 5 credits you need for algebra for your graduation requirements. Okay. For some people, you may already have your algebra graduation requirement done. This can also give you math credits because you need to have 2 years of math outside of algebra. So my goal is to help whoever needs whatever credits you need to get you to that point before we leave at the end of May. Now, what you should expect from this course, okay? I know it's algebra, it's zero period, it's early morning, I get it. Okay, we are supposed to meet each morning for class. Ideally, you'll be able to come in, get your stuff done, and then be done. Okay, my goal is to not make it to where you have to sit there for an hour. Okay, but you will have to work. Class is from 7:27 to 8:23, but it kind of really depends on how quickly you get through the material. So if you're able to get it done, then I'm going to be pretty good about it. Okay. You will need your Chromebook every single day. All of our assignments are going to be online, so you'll need to use that. Occasionally, I will have some Chromebooks in the classroom, but I can't guarantee if they'll be charged. So please make sure bring your Chromebook each day for class. You will have one online assignment each day to complete. Okay, so again, I'm going to try to make this as easy for you guys as possible. Kind of depends on your skills. So some of you guys may be able to breeze through it. Some of you guys might need a little extra help, but that's why I'm here for that. Once you complete the assignment in class, you can work on either other assignments, get help on other stuff, especially if you're taking more than one math class, or you can even get breakfast. So my goal is to make this as quick and easy, and hopefully you'll get everything taken care of with no problem. You can always email me at this email address. The goal for that is to make sure that, hey, if there's something going on and you can't make class, but you can still get the assignments done, hey, we could talk about it. However, you do need to show up, okay? So it's not like you could just say, hey, I'm just going to do it at home and not show up to class, because I don't want to have to mark you absent and then you have that issue to deal with. Okay, so the goal is to be in class, but maybe not hopefully in an entire hour. My goal is to make sure to get this done as quickly as we can. Okay, my expectations for you guys, okay? You are expected to show up each day for class, as much as possible. And I understand if you're absent, if you're getting the assignments done, you'll be all set. Because all of the assignments will be on Canvas, okay? So you'll be able to access everything through Canvas. There'll be links for everything. So, if something happens and you are not there in class, guess what? You can still do the assignment, okay? As long as the assignments are completed, it's okay to finish them outside of class. So if you come to class and you need extra help and you don't quite get it and you need more time outside of class, no big deal. That's the whole goal, is to be able to help you out. And you can always come in at lunch or after school and get help from me whenever necessary. So my goal is to make sure to be there to help you out. I will work to help you to pass, but you must be willing to put the effort in as well. If you don't put any effort, there's not much I can do, and I hate for you to take a zero period and not get anything out of it. So you will need to give me something, and I'll do everything I can on my part, but we got to help each other out. What you need for this class, okay? Biggest thing, have a notebook, pencil. I do have pencils in my class if you need it. You might want to take some notes. A lot of our notes are going to be video notes that you can work kind of at your own pace. You may want to put some work in a notebook as you're working on the online assignments. That's kind of up to you how you want to do it. But if you make sure you have that stuff. You will need your Chromebook, okay? Everything's online, so you will need your Chromebook. Make sure you charge it every night. You will need the Canvas and IXL app installed on your phone if you have one. This will make it easier for you to see what's going on. And the IXL app, we'll talk about that in another video, is something that you're going to be using in order to complete your assignments. If you've used it before, you kind of understand it. If you have not used it before, that's what Tuesday we're going to talk about. So if you have that on your phone, that might make things easier as well, especially if something happens with your Chromebook. Make sure you have access to the internet, whether it's at home, obviously at school. If we have issues with the internet, obviously I'll work around that. But let me know so that way we can make sure you can get all the stuff done. Okay, my goal is to help you out as much as possible and make this as easy as I can. Now, the first day of class, which is Tuesday, okay, so I do need everybody here on Tuesday. So parents, just please make sure you bring them on Tuesday, so that way I can go over all the stuff we need to do. I would definitely make sure you logged into Canvas ahead of time. So you kind of see these. You'll see this video. There'll be an IXL video that you'll be able to see, just to kind of get you familiar with what's going on. So that way it's not like just an information overload on the first day if you can. We will make sure that everybody knows how to use, log into, and basically submit assignments on that first day through IXL. I want to make it to where it's like, hey, if you do this, boom, you're good to go. Okay, so please make sure you're here that first day, so that way I can explain that real quickly, get you started, and get you out on that first day, so you kind of have the routine down. If you need assistance, I will provide it when we meet. So if you have problems logging in, you got computer issues, hey, that's my job to help you take care of that stuff. So that way you're going to be all set. But as much as you can watch ahead of time, the easier it's going to be. I am expecting some issues this first week. I do expect that people are going to kind of add and drop and everything like that. So everything's flexible. Don't worry. If something happens, we can work things out. But just know that we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff, so we want to make sure to get that all taken care of. I look forward to meeting all the students on Tuesday. I met a few that have come in thinking that we started last week, but we're starting on Tuesday. Make sure come in on Tuesday. Try to get there on time so that way we can get it done, and then you're all set. And we'll kind of go through the whole process. I look forward to seeing everybody on Tuesday, and hopefully you're having a great weekend.